Hello everyone, this is Snigdha from GVP CEW. Now we are going to see the Notepad automation through UiPath. We are going to create a new sequence, so we will go here, new sequence. We need to give the name for a sequence. Let us give it as Notepad underscore automation. Enter. See, now we are going to get the Notepad automation window. As we are doing this in a desktop and it's a desktop application Notepad, so we are going to record desktop record. As I already said, Notepad is an application. So we are going to start it by Start App. Click on the header of the Notepad. You will get like this. Click on OK. Now we need to write the text in the Notepad, so we'll go for type. Now type the text. As this is my first recording, I'm going to type as this is my first recording. Now click enter. We got it. Now let us do save and exist. So this is the workflow which we had completed till now. Now in order to change the font, we need to select the complete text. So now here we are going to send the hotkey. So search for it, we got it here, drag and drop. As we all know, for selecting the complete text, the hotkey is Ctrl A. Now we are just going to click a button on the Notepad, so we will go for click and then drag and drop. We'll click here. Font is available in the format, so we'll go for format. See, we got here format. Now in the format we have font, so again we need to click it. We'll drag and drop the click item. We will go for this. Now again clicking on the format makes in the workflow to display the format click only 2 times. So in order to avoid this, we need to pause this. This can be done by using the F2 key. Click on the F2 key. Now click on format and be ready by placing your mouse pointer on the font. Now click on font. As you have now seen, we first got the format, now font. Now we need to type the text because like we have different type of fonts. So let's take one type of font. Just first type into. We need to select the area where we are going to type. So we'll click here. Now we are going to pause this again. Format font. Now the area where we are going to type is here, so we'll click there. That area is captured here. Now we want to replace that area with the font we want, so we need to type the text always in the double quotes. Now let's take one font style, like I'm going to take the font as Barlow, BARLOW. Now OK. As we know, after this we need to click on the OK button in order to assure that the font is this and we have confirmed it. So we'll go for click, again drag and drop, click here. We are going to click it on OK. OK, we got it. Now we need to save this file. In order to save this file, let us simply take again send an hotkey. So we got it here. Drag and drop. As for selecting or saving the notepad, we are going to give the hotkey as Ctrl S. So type here Ctrl S. Now after doing this, we'll be saving the name of the file now. So we need to give a name. For this, let's do it. Now we need to type the name of the file. So we are again going to type, drag and drop. Again we need to select the area where we want to type. So it's this area. The area got selected. Now again we are going to place the text in the double quotes. Let us name it as notepad underscore automation. Now after this we are going to save. We just gave the name, now we need to save it. So now again let's go for click. Let's take double click. Okay, we need to save, so I'll click on save. Now after this the application is completed, so now it needs to be closed. So we will go for close application. We will add it here. Now we need to select the place where we can close the application. So it's here, the red one at the corner. Clicked it. Yes. Now this is the whole workflow of our notepad automation, where we selected the whole text and changed the font and also saved the file under the name notepad automation. So now let's see that how it works. So let me close the previous one so that we can know that how this one is going to work. Okay, now we'll go here, run. We got that, selected the text, changed the font. Now we saved the file and the application is closed. This is how the notepad automation can be done by using the UiPath. Thank you.